Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce development costs with Microsoft Azure. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Microsoft Azure account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Azure portal. Click on Create a Resource to start a new project. Select the type of service you need, such as a virtual machine or app service. Set your region carefully to optimize cost and performance. Choose the appropriate pricing tier based on your project's needs. Utilize Azure's cost management tools to track expenditures. Configure autoscaling to ensure you're only using resources when necessary. Implement Azure Dev Test Labs for development and testing environments. Leverage Azure Functions for serverless computing to reduce costs. Take advantage of Azure credits if you're a new user or student. Regularly review your resource usage with Azure Advisor for recommendations. Consider using Azure Hybrid Benefit if you have existing licenses. Utilize reserved instances for virtual machines to save on long-term costs. Always turn off or delete resources you no longer need to avoid unnecessary charges. Explore the marketplace for cost-effective third-party solutions. Monitor your spending every month to adjust your resources accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce development costs with Microsoft Azure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.